Gentlemen over 50, listen up. What if I told you a simple natural step just 30 minutes before could dramatically improve your intimate comfort and satisfaction? I'm Dr. Christina Morgan, a urologist with 15 years of experience. What I'm about to share is built on physiological principles and observations from countless men over 50. I'm here to reveal a straightforward secret to genuinely enhance your intimate men's health and overall well-being. Want more? Then subscribe and hit that notification bell for more natural men's health secrets. But before we dive in, an important disclaimer. This is general educational information only, not medical advice. Individual results truly vary. Please always consult your doctor before trying any new routine. Got it. Great. Let's get started. You know, after 50, our bodies, problem, and credibility. The untold story for men over 60, intimate function, pelvic circulation strategies, change. And yes, that includes intimate health. Published studies indicate a significant number of men over 50 notice a real decrease in sensitivity and overall intimate function. It's a quiet frustration for many, often leading to a drop in confidence that affects overall men's health over 50. Most men just assume it's an unavoidable part of aging, right? But here's the thing. There's a simple natural approach that's often overlooked by mainstream healthcare. A method that supported intimate well-being for decades based on traditional wisdom and first-hand accounts. I can tell you, I've discussed men's pelvic circulation strategies with patients over the last 15 years, and this truly is a simple, effective at-home option to explore. Are you curious about more natural tips for men over 50? If so, just type 1 in the comments right now. Your participation genuinely helps us reach and inform more men like you about vital and men's health eyes information. All right, let's get practical. This ritual is straightforward, but precision is key for both effectiveness and your safety. We'll focus on 2 specific areas, and I can't stress this enough. Absolutely do not apply castor oil directly to your sensitive genital regions. 3-step method, your castor oil ritual. Step 1, prep and place. Grab about half a teaspoon of pure cold-pressed castor oil, just 1 to 2 ml. Warm it gently in your hands. Now apply it to your inner groin area, about 2 in from your pubic bone on either side, and then to the very top of your inner thighs, closest to the groin. Step 2, gentle massage. With circular motions, gently massage each of these regions for 2 to 3 minutes per side. You want moderate pressure, enough to stimulate blood flow, but always comfortable. Step 3, timing is vital. The magic happens with timing. Perform this ritual about 30 minutes before your planned intimate activity. This window is crucial for optimal absorption and to truly support your intimate responsiveness. Sounds simple, right? But ever wonder simple science. Unlocking intimate well-being, circulation, sensitivity, relaxation. Why this might work. Let's dive into the simple science. So what's really happening beneath the surface supporting men's health over 50 gang CII? It's a blend of chemistry and physiology. First, castor oil contains renoleic acid, a natural compound known for its anti-inflammatory properties. When gently massaged into these specific areas, it's believed to help support localized blood flow. And research on topical agents suggests measurable improvements in localized blood flow can occur. Think of it. More optimal blood flow to the pelvic region can certainly contribute to better intimate responsiveness. Secondly, that gentle massage isn't just for comfort. It actively helps you relax. It stimulates your parasympathetic nervous system, what we call your body's rest and digest system. And here's the key. Massage studies actually show reduced sympathetic tone and improved perceived relaxation, which can directly support responsiveness. That 30-minute timing we talked about, it's ideal for both the oil to absorb and for your body to fully enter this relaxed, receptive state. It's a wonderful, holistic approach, blending physical stimulation with natural compounds to support your overall vitality. Ready to see the kind of changes most men report? If you're still with me and excited to see what's possible, type yeses in the comments right now. and I'll walk you through the timeline of positive changes most men experience. So what can you realistically expect when you start incorporating this into timeline and results? Your journey to potential improved intimate well-being? Your routine for by men's health over 50ing? Remember, everyone's unique, and these are largely anecdotal observations. But here's a general timeline from the very first time. Many men anecdotally report an immediate warming sensation and perhaps a noticeable boost in sensitivity, contributing to a greater sense of intimate comfort. After just 3 to 5 times, anecdotal reports suggest some men may experience improved responsiveness and a deeper sense of comfort. You might just feel more confident and connected within 2 weeks of consistent use. Anecdotal feedback often points to a significant boost in overall confidence and intimate well-being. This consistent routine truly seems to reinforce positive physiological responses. And a fantastic bonus, many users anecdotally report better sleep quality and waking up feeling more refreshed and energized, which contributes immensely to overall men's health and vitality. This method sounds promising, doesn't it? But like any new routine, there are a few common mistakes to watch out for. Let's talk about those next. To ensure you get the absolute best and safest results for 3 common mistakes to avoid your men's health and intimate experiences, steer clear of these 3 common mistakes. Mistake 1, using too much oil. Seriously, only use about half a teaspoon. More isn't going to make it more effective. It's just going to be messy. Stick to the recommended amount. Mistake 2, applying directly to sensitive areas. I know I've said it, but it's that important. Never ever apply castor oil directly to your genitals. Always stick to those designated groin and upper inner thigh regions to prevent any irritation. Mistake 3, skipping the patch test. This is non-negotiable. Always perform a small patch test on your forearm 24 hours before your first full application. This simple step prevents any potential allergic reactions or skin irritation. Your comfort and safety for men's health over 50 are paramount. Follow these simple rules and you'll make a significant difference. Now it's your turn to take action. You now have a powerful natural tool to explore for enhancing your intimate health and intimate well-being for men's health over 50. There's no better time than now. Consider starting this ritual tonight. I want to hear from you. Outro. Comment below with the date you begin this castor oil routine. I'll personally read and reply to the first 50 comments. Your shared experiences and observations are incredibly valuable and truly inspire others in our community focused on men's health over 50. And to ensure you never miss out on more natural science-backed tips for men's health over 50 and beyond, please make sure to subscribe to Vitality Health 101 and hit that notification bell right now. Join our growing community. Before you go, check out our next video right here, 3 foods that naturally boost testosterone after 50 for even more vitality secrets. Thank you for prioritizing your well-being. I truly appreciate you. See you in the next video.